Welcome to your video walkthrough of the installation steps for Bumblebee Networks BN-CPE-1000FC. Let's get started. Step 1. Install the 4 cellular antennas. Screw on the 4 antennas on each side of the device. Step 2. If the ISP handoff is fiber, plug in ETH4 to WAN. If the ISP handoff is RJ45, plug in ETH0 for WAN. Step 3. Plug in power. Step 4. Check internet status. Use an Ethernet cable to connect between the ETH3 port, that is the diagnostic port, and your laptop. On the laptop, open a web browser and type in address http://169.254.1.1:8080. On the browser display page, check the registration status. You should see status as active. The device has been successfully connected and registered. Congratulations! If you see the above status, your internet connection has been established and the device has been registered with the Bumblebee portal. Step 6. If your LAN handoff is RJ45, plug in ETH1 port for LAN. If your LAN handoff is fiber, plug in ETH5 port for LAN. Troubleshooting. If your internet status check on step 3 failed, here are the troubleshooting steps. Check that the power light is on. If the ISP handoff is fiber, check if the ETH4 light is on. If the ISP handoff is RJ45, check if the ETH0 light is on. Refresh Internet Status web page from Step 3. To observe network interface statistics are updating. Scroll down the page. Check the WAN information section of the page for configuration errors. If configuration errors are found, you can fix it by scrolling down to the Modify ETH4 WAN interface section to update.